welcome to Da Nang. Hello Marcus.
Hi.
Just picked him up on the street. And now we're gonna go to a very, very important street, guys. Chau Vinh. This is the best street food street here in Da Nang. In this area. There are some in the city center that are better, but in this area you can get pretty much everything you imagine for normal local prices. Yes, everything, absolute everything. I ate pretty much, not in every place, but maybe in 50%. I tried a lot. So, ban beo, ban rabbits. Oh, my problem at the moment, I'm going to the gym again and eating a lot of healthy food, lots of protein. So, all those dishes here, at the moment I cannot have, because they're very carbs heavy, but beautiful, like this ban kan here. I did a video about this maybe 1 year ago. It's great ban kan. Fish cake, ban kan, pork, nice. Fish, everything. This is Central Vietnamese specialties here. This is where you want to eat. Ban wood, ban beo, ban ramit. Yes, I love it. You get some fruit juices here pretty much everywhere. And here, this is also very popular in whole Southeast Asia. There's a Chinese ice cream McDonald's franchise. Very popular everywhere in Southeast Asia. It's from China. All right. So, tremendous. It's delicious. A very good price as well. You get a nice, fluffy ice cream for $1 or something. Here, left and right. This is a typical lunch spot too. You can get broken rice with all kinds of proteins. Very nice. Bone. This is what Will likes so much. Bone everywhere. Sizzling beef with eggs. And if you eat a lot, go to play some billiards here right away. Oh, that looks good. What is that? Very interesting. I don't know what this is. It looked like some kind of dessert. Yeah, you can also feed your dogs here and trim your dogs, groom them here. And more $1 rice places here, left and right. You can get crepes for very, very cheap. This is like 70 cents. You have a lot of barbershops left and right, and you even can get some guitars or ukulele here. Banh mi is also here. Fried chicken. I really don't like fried food anymore. Oh wow, that looks good. What is that? Oh, spring rolls. Okay. Hello. And here's some chicken. Oh no, duck. This was a coffee shop, and now it's something else. Huh? What is that? Seoul, another Korean hotspot.
Looks very nice. Black.
Yeah, it looks like German flag, right? Yeah, I know that you like that.
Germany.
Oh, if you want to buy some kind of plastic cups or anything plastic related, that looks like a store for that. Tupperware. Oh, look. Bone is closed. Here you have another rice store. You have a lot of those rice stores, and you can basically always have a portion of rice and then all kinds of different dishes to it. And then, yeah, it's usually per plate is $1 or something. Oh, this is Hutu, nice. More barbershops, hair salons. It's a barbecue place. Chicken Talk. All right. It's a coffee shop. And this is a very, I don't know if it's still the same owner, but I made a video about this place too. Okay, it's definitely different, but they had very nice bunziu with ok with the snails. Huh. All right. Oh yes, round ramen. Oh, this is beautiful. Now when you don't eat much carbs, it's like everything looks even more delicious. This one, yeah, that's new. It's a banh mi place.
Yeah,
Grandma Thuong's banh mi cha lua pate. Oh, that's interesting. That's not that common.
Is that this Hanoi with the pate?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. Since
Very
1968, so I don't think they're open that long, but maybe we should try it out at some point. That's definitely something we should try.
Yes.
It's just a little bit. I'm always a little bit skeptical if the place looks too modern.
But maybe her grandkids did it. Or
Yeah,
her kids.
that's what I'm thinking, right? So hopefully it tastes like old school, like a grandma, but it has the look of the grandchildren.
Yes.
Yeah. Because usually if the fancier the places, the less good or value you get. That's also a Bonaire place, I think. No, that's not. Oh, it is. It is. It is. I had it one time here. More barber shops. Ooh. I still need to find one specific dish from my member, our member, from Norway.
Oh.
We need to find a specific dish, and I still didn't find it yet. But he's now here in town.
What is the
The
name?
Vietnamese Norwegian.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
What is the dish?
I forgot the chung mam. So yeah, I don't find it. I asked everywhere. Jeez. But maybe he finds it. Maybe we can make a video together. Ban Seao, Nem Lui, nice. Bun Bo Hue. I haven't tried this one yet. $1 Bun Bo Hue. That's very interesting. And don't think that's because they're all empty that they are bad. It's just not the time to eat right now. So most of those places are even busy in the morning or busy at night. Or if it's a lunch spot like this broken rice and other things, it's usually really lunchtime. And Vietnamese have early lunch because Vietnamese have an early start to the day. They are very active. They start 5 a.m., go to the beach. They're very active people. That's why they're not fat. They're very healthy and active, so they eat early. I'm not sure if they eat late, but besides of my wife, she sleeps too long. She has to nap all the time. It's okay. There was a study that women sleep more if they feel safe and loved.
It's true.
Yeah. Guys, this here, very much, very good, this one. It's so good, I completely lost my English language. But try it out. Try everything on the menu. Get some lads together. Go here. This is Chau something. I have no idea. Just walk here and go to Huinde. Very nice. I did the videos about it. You know what? I will link down the food video about it. And there are the addresses are in there. That's new, bro. Hero Sushi.
It's very new. It's a hostel in the pub.
A hostel in the pub. Or they just got new banners. It smells good here. Those sausages, it's like 40-cent sausages. It's beautiful. Very nice. All right. For my me. What is that?
What?
Nuong. I don't understand what this is, like a cheese sausage?
Yes. But it looks very chemical, to be honest.
It's very unhealthy, but I want to have it, dude. A cheese sausage?
You can say they have a lot of sausages here.
Yeah.
There's a sausage corner.
Oh, Marcus. Oh, Marcus. Oh, Marcus. It's good. We are also here walking around here, so we don't change anything. You can buy cakes, but I would recommend you buy cakes that taste good and not look good. Like whenever there are like birthday cakes, anniversary cakes, Valentine's cakes, they just look good, but they don't taste good. So rather go for good tasting ones and maybe pay them more to make it look good. Right? So this is now here, it's a little bit tricky here to walk. It's parkour. This is where Marcus got his haircut.
Oh, that's true.
Did you like it or not?
It was okay. I think it was not difficult to cut my hair.
Okay.
But
Alright.
did you got your salary for cutting my hairs?
Oh, I did not. When are you gonna? You have to pay me.
Oh,
Yeah, you have to pay me with food.
okay. Let's
All right.
go. Let's go for the $1 soup.
Oh. Here in this next street here to the right, Doba, they have a very beautiful $1 soup. If you've seen my videos before, it's delicious, delicious. It's in this street here. This is the Doba street, okay? D-O-B-A. And it's all the way there and then on a yellow building. We're gonna continue here on the Chau street. It's very busy. Okay, okay. We survived, and here's another banh mi. It's the second location. Banh mi is very good. It's always solid. It's a little bit pricier. That's 100%. Usually 3 times the price than a normal banh mi, but it tastes good. It tastes fresh. It's a nice little coffee shop. So yeah, I still get it always. So it's good too. Especially if you're new here, just go for the safe things, what looks safe, and then slowly go into a little bit more like local spots. Like this here is a very, very good spot. I really like they have pork belly and they have rice on pork belly. It's beautiful. They do it inside there, I think. Yeah, and they have also power drinks. And look at this. Opposite of this is my favorite banh mi. Here you got more fried stuff. This is tapukun, something. Oh, this is also very delicious. This eggs is very good. They take the egg inside.
Yeah.
They scramble it somehow, put salt and pepper or whatever, put it back, and then they grill it. It's very fluffy. Yeah. It's like for you maybe as a gym bro.
This looks new. Look at
Yeah. Another one. Actually, oh man, I would die for this kimchi fried rice, dude. Yeah, Yoma Grill. I think it's not open yet. No, it should be open. What else do they have? The thing is with the street here, I could go here every 2 weeks and then there's something new or something closed and something is new open. This is like a hot spot for good food. And I want to go there and try this one. Marcus, remind me, we have to go there. They have this nice meat sticks and then also sushi to it. Oh, this is an apartment building right next to this mini mart. I tried to see a room there once, but it was fully booked some months ago. Oh, what's going on in here? Oh, what is that? Oh,
building.
where's my, no, okay. I thought that is my favorite Bunda Mam Tom place, but I will show you my favorite Bunda Mam Tom place.
Is it this restaurant where you called me?
Yeah. I did Marcus so bad. Like, he just came to Vietnam 1 year ago or something, the first time before he left again. And then I took him for my video to Bunda Mam Tom. And yeah, it's nothing for beginners. And he did not like it at all. He was, and because of that, he did not try anything anymore.
Yeah.
He didn't try more Vietnamese food, and now he's getting into it and like this specific stuff, like
Very
mi quang and everything. But yeah, Bunda Mam Tom, this is my favorite Bunda Mam Tom place here in this area. There are some in the city where I like more, and you can trust me, I tried a lot of Bunda Mam Tom places, at least 30, okay, in Da Nang, and maybe 7 in Hanoi, because I always go to the same place in Hanoi. I love the one specific Bunda Mam Tom in Hanoi. And this here, I really like the banh mi here. They have a specific, very nice banh mi, and I like it so much. I made a video about it, and guess what? Our good friend David always eats here at night. It's like late night open, and he can always get a banh mi here, and it's so delicious. He loves it so much, he only eats it there. And it's also a dim sum place here. And now we're going to see if the church is already done. Did they renovate it? Is the renovation done? Is the renovation finished? It looks like it. Looks pretty nice here. The An Thuong church here.
It's time for the Holy Spirit.
Yep. It looks, yeah, the color, everything is brand new. I'm not sure if it's inside already done. I would love to check it out one day. Maybe. Look at this. Such a pretty church. They did a good job. Okay guys, we're gonna go back to the An Thuong area here. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video, and on the next one I will also show you the rest and go to the rides, because this is already too long. Thank you and have a good day, and see you in the next one.